because the small streamers have to stick together, I learned after about a month or so that there are things out there that can help you get your information out there without having to turn around and constantly type it into your chat. There are a couple of bots out there. I personally use Nightbot, and I figured since I had to figure out on my own through the help of YouTube how to use it, I figured that I would help you figure it out through YouTube as well. I'm Christopher. I'm your host. I'm a small streamer. You can see me on twitch.tv/ChristopherFloro. The link will be below. You can also see me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Discord. But other than that, let's get to it. You're also going to hear some lo-fi stream beats in the background, basically because I like the sound. And everybody deserves a little bit of music, right? First off, we're going to go to nightbot.com. We're obviously going to log in because I have signed up before. All I have to do is click authorize. And obviously you'll see, your dashboard commands, giveaways, logs, regular, song requests, spam protection, timers. The ones that I was most interested in was the commands. How do people get their Twitter information to their viewers, their Instagram to their viewers? What you do is you click on commands and you go to, there are several defaults that I don't really use, basically because I don't have the video traffic that a lot of these bigger streamers do that need this more often than not. There is also a moderator's field in here, but I just go to custom. You can see I have my my affiliate links, my Player One Coffee, No Name Nerd, and Razer in there. I've also got my Discord, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and of course my YouTube. And what you'll do is you'll just come in here to the command that you want, and you'll click your exclamation point, and let's say we want to make it funny. We just type in here whatever it is that we want to say, like funny videos of me making a fool of myself. Check me out on TikTok. And that's just search for and then we'll go in for the user level of everybody that we want to see it, and it's either going to be owner, moderator, VIP, regular, subscriber, or everyone. And now everyone can go in here and type in funny, and that link will pop up. The way you go in and set your regulars is you say who all, you go into add users, and of course you can see all mine there. Just type in the username or their Twitch name, excuse me. Let's find one. How about Songbirds? Or I got a better one. A gentleman that started following me here the other day. Let me make sure I spell his name right. I am Mr. Garvey. And click submit. And now every time that he comes into the chat, he'll have an icon pop up on his name that says that he's a regular, and you can go in. He can go in and do other specific commands. There are also timers that you can set the time frame for. Like I have my YouTube every 30 minutes, and if you'll notice, it says 2 lines. You can make it as many as 100 lines of chat have to come through before it will post this every 30 minutes. You just slide the slider back and forth and to whatever minute you want it for. I keep it at every 30 minutes, that way it's not getting bombarded with, people aren't getting bombarded with just the commercials. Hopefully this helps. If you would like to see more, click subscribe down below, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified. I upload videos randomly at best, at least once a week. This was my first how-to video, and I just really want to know how I did. Again, if y'all don't care to give me a comment, I'd greatly appreciate it. Y'all have a good day.